Hey y'all, it's Cheeks again. I'm just coming in to check in to show you what I eat in a day. First, as you can see, this is my breakfast. I eat this every single day. A handful of pretzels, some Chobani, mango, or the pineapple yogurt, and seaweed. People look at me kind of funny when I have seaweed. It does have an acquired taste. I've tried it like 2 or 3 times. Before I even liked it, it tastes like the ocean. But for some reason, I just love Trader Joe's seaweed. I don't eat other seaweed brands that are out there. I don't know why, I just can't stand the taste. But Trader Joe's, I love the sea salt. And they also have a wasabi flavor, which I used to eat all the time. But now, for some reason, my palate just can't take it at all. I also recommend some fruit, whether it's an apple or pineapple slices. Get some fruit in your system. Now for lunch, I'm gonna go ahead and eat the yellow jackfruit that's curry flavored with jasmine rice, and I've added some green beans to it as well. The jackfruit, the curry is very, very spicy. If you like spicy foods, go for it. If not, I understand. In my opinion, this is one of the best TV dinners ever. For dinner, I'm going to keep it simple: baked salmon, grilled asparagus, and some corn. And if you're kind of like me, where you like a bedtime snack, don't eat something fatty. Get something healthy. You got apples with peanut butter. I also like to eat edamame. Edamame does contain soy, so if you are allergic to soy, stay away. They look like sugar snap peas and have a similar taste. The bean is a little bit larger than the sugar snap peas. What I like to do is just kind of, hang it on the edge of my mouth and pull them out. I mean, it kind of sounds weird, but they're really, really good snack. And the Trader Joe's has them already salted, which is a plus for me. Now, if you'd like something sweeter, Trader Joe's has a cranberry and white chocolate oatmeal cookie. It is so yummy. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you, calorie-wise, they are not the healthiest, but I know every now and then you want something sweet. Burn those calories in the morning, walk it off, and you will be fine. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.